what we want to do next is we want to work with performing CRUD operations on book. So for that, first let's see if we can display all the books right now even though we don't have any. So I'll close the application here. We will be adding a book controller. We can copy one of the existing. Let's copy the author controller, paste it here, and we'll change this to book controller. Perfect. We'll copy the name for the controller, paste it here. That looks good. We'll close the other two controllers here. Now in the index, we need to list all of the book. So right here, we'll have all of the book here. And this will be _db.book, just book, nothing else, right here, .toList. That being said, I think for now the index is good. Let me comment out the other ones here because we'll have to make some changes when we get there. That being said, we need to add the view. So right click, add view. We'll go with the razor view again. And in order to get the codes, we have our snippet. We have book index. Let me copy this and paste it right here. We have IEnumerable of books, and that is correct. Here this will be book and not books. I'll change that as well, so don't worry. Once we have that in place, what we are doing here is I just have a heading of book list. I'm adding two buttons here, one to create a new book and one I just have an action called as playground. We'll explore this later on, but there's just a button. Then if we scroll down, we are displaying title of the book. We have commented the author and publisher right now, so don't even worry about that. We're just displaying the book title, and at the end we have 4 more buttons. One button is to edit the book, which takes you to the upsert action. Next is the details, which we'll be using for the book details. Then we have the delete to remove the book, and we have the authors button to manage the authors, where we can associate and deassociate authors for a book. That being said, let me run the application and take a look at this index page. We'll go to the book. Right now there is no record exist, so it will just be empty. In the next video, let's go ahead and create a new book. So we'll be working with the upsert get and post actions. When we create a new book, we want to associate book to any of the publisher. So create book will have all the book property. Along with that, it will also have an option to add the publisher. So let's see how we can take care of that in the upcoming videos. Before that, what I'll do is I'll add some meaningful categories and publishers as well as authors, and I will see you guys in the next video once I complete them.